Hello, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to save a Power BI report. Let us have a look. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. As you begin working with Power BI, it's essential to save your progress regularly. Similar to other Microsoft applications, Power BI features a convenient quick access toolbar located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll find options like Save, Undo, and Redo. Simply click on the Save icon to save your file, or you can navigate to the File menu and select Save. When saving the file, you'll notice the default file extension is PBIX. You can enter your desired file name and click the Save button. For more advanced options such as choosing a different file extension or saving location, click on More Options. From there, you can browse your device to select the desired directory. Enter the file name. We'll name ours Sample World Data. Now choose the file type and then click Save. Now there are 3 extensions for Power BI desktop files. The default one is PBIX, which is a Power BI desktop file. Other choice would be PBIT, which is a template file. And last one is PBIP, which is a project file. We're going to leave it on PBIX and click Save. Please note that if you share your PBIX file with others, your actual data also gets shared. For a deeper understanding of these file types, check out our video on the differences between PBIX, PBIT, and PBIP. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on MadeEasy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey.